It's Miss Renee. And I done went and got me some ghetto bird. That's what I call it. That's what I call it. Every once in a while, you got to take it back to your roots. Now, comment in the section below if you have a churches where you live. If you have a churches where you live. You gotta start off. Now, what I'm noticing about Popeyes and churches is that churches look their jalapeno peppers is looking real weak. I don't know if y'all been to Kentucky Fried Chicken lately, but they jalapeno peppers is like this big. I'm talking about big, ignorant, and stupid. It's been a while since I had some ghetto bird. So I just wanted to, you know, chicken have changed over the years too. The taste, the texture, just everything has changed. Even about KFC. Popeyes stay pretty consistent, but I know for sure KFC have changed. Everything about them. Churches is the only one who got fried okra. They don't even have corn on the cob no more. And corn on the cob used to be the best thing they had going. Man, I'm telling you, you could eat 2 of those corns on the cob. It has so much butter around them. Put some salt on them. Oh my goodness. So good. Okay, real quick, I want to tell y'all about something that happened to me this weekend. I was so tired. Mother's Day wore me out. I did so much hair. I ran so many errands. Gotta have that pepper. I was just tired. And then after Mother's Day was over, I was exhausted. So, I literally slept all day Monday. I ain't even go outside. I ain't put no clothes on. I ain't do nothing. Tuesday, I woke up. It was raining. I was lollygagging. Butter biscuit. At some point, I finally got out, did something, went back in the house. But it was like a spirit came over me. Y'all eat y'all some gravy. Some type of spirit came over me. I started getting sad and depressed. But I always do this around my birthday, y'all. Every year I want to analyze myself. What didn't you do? What did you do? How come you ain't got this yet? How come you ain't got that yet? You know, why your life like this? You know, start comparing my life to other people. Which I know is a no-no. You're never supposed to compare your life to nobody. We all on our own journey. Anyway, usually every day I get up, the first thing I do is listen to the word. I realized I got so much rest. I had slept the whole day. I had ate good, you know, eating good. You know, got me something to drink. You know, I'm good in that area. Hydrated. But I couldn't understand why I just got sad all of a sudden. Just started feeling down. And, you know, then it dawned on me. You ain't listened to the word. I went to church on Sunday, but it was different. Monday and Tuesday, I hadn't listened to the word. I listen to the word every single day. It's what gets me going. It's what helps me get out the door. It's what helps me get through the day. I listen to the word. And I feel better now. You can eat your food, but if you don't have that bread, that living bread, that water, that yoke destroying power of God, something happens to your spirit. I realized that I was literally starving spiritually. I couldn't even believe how addicted to the word I actually am. Baby, if I go a day or two without hearing from God, without listening to God, without praying, without hearing something, hearing Jesus tell me something, my whole spirit started to act up. So, needless to say, I got that together real quick. I prayed about it, got on there, listened to my word, got my spirit back up, and I'm back to normal. I love you. This Miss Renee. Y'all have a blessed and wonderful day.